What do you rate it out of 10?
8 out of 10.
I love it. It's a 10 for me.
I don't like the ice.
Grilled cheese burrito. Today I got Dave's hot chicken. I'm gonna start off with a hot slider here. Extra sauce. The chicken tastes fresh and it's juicy. One of these chicken tenders is extra hot, one of them is medium. I feel like it's this one right here because it's catching up to me. But I gotta shake for that. Cool it down a little bit. Damn, top tier. You know me, I'm Mr. Big Back.
Yum. Tonight we got Thai food. We have pineapple fried rice, pad thai, crab rangoons, and then this is pork belly and peanut sauce. Oh my goodness. It's so good. The star.
That's actually valid though. That's valid. Run that used to the other safe one.
Wow.
They are very different.
This is my favorite.
You'd be able to fit one through there.
I'm so happy.
Candied honey bun.
Chili's full eating video. These just came out of the fryer. Bomb. I'm kind of glad it's not hot. Guys, we die in here sometimes. Not gonna lie. Just as good as I remember.
You know, I saw people arguing with you or about you in the comments on a Instagram thing, like a repost thing.
What were they
And they were
saying?
saying that you don't swallow your food, and then there was
Oh, some people defend me.
some people
You
like
guys
she
are
does.
real ones.
She makes full eating videos.
You guys are real ones. We read the comments, you guys. That's what I'm saying. You're my friends. I was starving.
You want to use this one or no?
They're cold. You guys remember in the last Chili's video how I said I gave him a bite of my chicken tender and he was like, no you didn't. I did.
Oh, you didn't.
I did. And people in the comments said,
We watched it over together.
no, we skipped over it. I gave him a bite, yeah.
No, you didn't.
Men trying to make you crazy.
You're gonna have to
Think
show.
you're
You're
crazy.
gonna have to show me later. Did you actually? Did you just give me the shh? Oh, that's racist.
I have to take a bite of my burger.
I understand.
It's not like that.
You don't like the red joint?
The marinara?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I want to eat more mozzarella stick, but if I put this burger down, it's over. It is messy though. Oh my god.
You're right.
Another reason why I wanted to get Chili's, I don't know if it's true or not. Chili's is closing down.
No.
That's what they're saying.
When?
I don't know. I just saw a TikTok. I didn't search it.
Why?
I don't know. I'm gonna take it.
Mmm. It's good. What? There was a time where I hated Chili's, remember?
And my family is big Chili'sers.
Chili's are...
Like big time. The first time he met my parents, or my whole family, it was at this Chili's. Isn't that funny?
Chili's.
The only thing I was gonna say, I'm not conceited. Maybe a little bit.
You
About this camera is that there's like a picture where I can see myself, and instead of looking in the lens, I look at myself. So then it looks like I'm kind of cross-eyed.
This shit is good.
Mm-hmm. Good pick on my end.
Good pick, but chop.
Let's do another mozzarella stick.
Oh, mine is empty.
Mmm.
Oh, my cheese.
Oh, it's spilled out. What do they put in their mozzarella sticks? That's not no regular cheese. Oh my god. I needed to eat.
Can you refill me or not? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, their burger is good.
Better than this?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, better than the triple dipper?
Mhm.
I don't know. We were both starving. I did a lot today. A lot. A lot. I cleaned my whole room and I'm trying to make it more aesthetic so we can be more personal and I can like show you my personal space. Because I never record inside my room. But I want to make more videos. And to do that I have to show my room, so I'm in the process of making it more visually pleasing. Right?
Right.
I would say it's like way better than it used to be. Now it's a little bit more girly. Before my room was not even like a room. It was just like,
A bed.
yeah. I didn't put any love into my room. Let's do some fry action. Let's finish up the ASMR. It's for the tingles. You know it gives people brain tingles. Your fullness?
Is that 10 minutes?
Yeah, we're at 10 minutes. So good. Guys, Bridgerton comes out tomorrow. Who's watching it?
Not me.
Yes, you are. Actually, no, we're not gonna be together.
Yeah.
And I can't wait. I need to watch it.
Just wait.
No, I have nothing else to watch.
Just 2 days.
I'm watching Grey's Anatomy, but it's not that good because I've already seen it.
It's only 2 days.
No, plus you don't even care about Bridgerton.
Yeah, I don't.
If it was like... What was the show that we watched together?
Night Agent.
We don't like a lot of the same shows. He's not a show watcher, that's the problem.
Yeah.
He just doesn't watch shows in general. I'm a show person. If I'm hooked on something, I'm finishing it by the end of the night.
Terrible.
Like, I just can't stop watching. This was really good. Good eats.
That's good aim.
Bye, guys.